Megumi means blessing, and blessings often test us with hardships, losses, and disappointments before shedding their disguises. We started our business in 2002, but were soon hit with the H5N1 epidemic. But we persevered, and the business grew steadily over the next 16 years. We expanded to a second outlet, but it didn't do so well. At the same time, an en bloc sale at our first outlet meant we had to cope with the closure of 2 restaurants, losing almost everything. But we picked ourselves up and secured new premises. In 2 months, we rebuilt Megumi and opened our doors to customers again. I know that I cannot take all this for granted. Every new restaurant opening requires a huge capital investment, and that's why getting insured is important for small businesses like ours. We need to guard against unexpected interruptions to our business, like fire and theft or other damages to our equipment. We have been blessed with hardworking and loyal employees who stood with me through thick and thin. They have become the family that I have to protect. I appreciate my people, so providing employee benefits insurance is one way to show it, covering their medical expenses and providing personal accident insurance, especially for situations in the kitchen where my staff may injure himself. Dion's the mother hen of the staff. She has been there since day one and I trust her with everything. However, the company's liabilities are all under my name. If something bad should happen to me, my biggest worry is the financial burden that Dion will need to shoulder. UOB gave me advice on how I could manage this risk. Through them, I got a business life insurance policy for myself to shield Dion from Megumi's loan obligations in the event I can no longer contribute to the business. Since 2002, we've had the same mission: to serve affordable, quality and heartwarming Japanese cuisine for family and friends. Just like this.